Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will solve another question using regular falsi method or false position method. If you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing and encourage me to do more videos like this. So I have already discussed about false position method and an example in the previous video. So if you have not seen that video, I'll give the playlist link in the description. Go through them, you'll understand the concept well there, and then again come back here to solve this problem. Okay, so given f of x, so f of x is equal to 0 form you have to have. So I am taking it as x into log 10 base x minus 1.2 is equal to 0. So this is your f of x. So if we have to find the initial estimates first. So if you substitute 0, it will be f of 0 will be minus 1.2, you know this. So f of 1 is also minus 1.2, so root does not lie between 0 and 1. So next is f of 2 we have to find. So if you find f of 2, it will be 2 log 2 minus 1.2. 2 log 2 minus 1.2, so it will be minus 0.59794. okay, minus 0.59794. since it is negative, so root does not lie between 1 and 2 also. So that is why I am finding for 3. So 3 into log 3 into log 3 minus 1.2. Okay, so 3 into log 3 minus 1.2, if you solve this you will get 0.23136. it is positive and this is negative. So root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, so root for this equation, okay, given f of x, such type of equation is called as transcendental equation. Any equation involving logarithmic, exponential, trigonometric functions are called as transcendental equations. So false position method is used to find the root of this transcendental equation. Okay, so given equation is a transcendental equation. So for this, root lies between 2 and 3. So we have got that root is bracketed between 2 and 3. Okay, so initial approximation x2, that first approximation is given by x0 into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. So here x0 is 2 and x1 is 3. So say following that, what you will get, x0 is 2, so 2 into f of x1. F of x1 is f of 3. F of 3 is 0.23136 minus x1. X1 is 2. Okay, sorry, x1 is 3 into f of x0. F of x0 is f of 2, which is equal to minus 0.59794 divided by f of x1. F of x1 is 0.2316 minus of minus 0.59794. okay, so if you solve this, so you'll get around 2.721. So f of x2 is 2.721 into log of 2.721 minus 1.2. 2.721 into logarithm of this, the resultant is subtracted by 1.2. so if you do this, you will get around minus 0.0171. so it is less than 0, negative value. So negative value root is 2, so 2 is now replaced by 2.721. okay, 2 is now replaced by 2.721. so now roots are bracketed between 2.721 and 3. So if you observe, so from the initial estimate, the difference between the estimates are going to be decreased. Okay, so like this. Right, now again the next approximation x3 is given by f of x naught is first x naught 2.721 into f of x1 is f of 3 is 0.23136 minus x1 is 3 into f of 2.721 is minus 0.0171 divided by 0.23136 minus 0.0171. So if you do this, you'll get around 2.740. And if you find f of 2.740, which is given by 2.740 into log of 2.740 minus 1.2, so you'll get around minus 0.00056. Okay, so I'm directly writing the values, but you check while you solve the problem, you check using your calculator. Minus 0.00056, which is less than 0, again negative. Okay, so negative root is replaced now, so 2.721 is replaced by 2.740. okay, so now root is bracketed between 2.740 and 3. okay, so root is now the difference is still decreased. okay, so 2.740 and 3. So if you find the next approximation x4 is given by, so f of x naught is 2.74. okay, 2.74 into f of x1 is f of 3, which is 0.23136 minus minus x1 is 3 into f of x naught, f of 2.740 is minus 0.00056 divided by 0.23136 minus of minus 0.00056, f of x1 minus f of x naught. So if you do this, you'll get around 2.7406. So here it is 2.740, x3 is 2.740, and x4 is approximately 2.740 only. okay, since x3 is equal to x4, x3 is almost equal to x4, so we can stop here. So root of x log 10 x is equal to 1.2 is 2.74. okay, so rounding off to two values. If you don't want to round off to two values, you can write it as 2.7406, or rounding off to, so rounding off to two decimal values. If they ask you to rounding up to two decimal values, its value is 2.74 is the root here. okay, so whatever is asked, you can write the answer. okay, so this is how we can solve a question regarding false position method. okay.